Hello, everybody. So, good evening. I hope my screen is visible for you all. Okay, just give me a second. Let me set things up. Okay, great. So, I hope my screen is visible for you all. So, as expected, price mitigated this FVG. Okay, great, not bad. We got a CPI data. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, not bad, not bad. No major moments. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, so let's look at the buyers. We got dollar index gap down opened and for some reason just went up. Let's see the data. So the CPI was positive, which means good for the currency. But for some reason it has opened over here and closed over here. Like it could be a manipulation. So what happens basically is whenever we have like a very big high impact data, price tends to manipulate. Let's say if the event move is for the long side. So it's gonna make a down move, take out all the previous liquidity, then it will go for the actual move. So if you like it's just the same when it's the reversals. So what I mean for reversals is let's say if the move is for the downside, it will go above to take out all the buy side liquidity, then it will come to the lows. So that's how it works. It's just to take the liquidities. Even if you can look at in the euro and everything, even in GBP also you can see before making the actual move, price has taken out all the major liquidity, right? So I'm thinking of shorting this. Let's wait for price to mitigate all the POIs which we have over here. As we can see, we got this good order block after taking out the buy side, and this is looks good though, but could be very risky. We have to place our stops higher. Let's see. We'll give it a try. I'm entering this with a 0.5 percentage, targeting the Asian lows. It's a good 3.5 hour trade. Let's see if it's gonna mitigate this POI, then we're gonna take this trade. Let's keep an alert. Yes, boss. Not aggressive. Let's wait for price to mitigate this. Yep, it got triggered. So the reason why I'm keeping this stop loss is it is the Asian lows. Basically, it's a previous day low also. Yep, as you can see. That's a good confirmation. If you get a closing below the previous candle low, then that could be a very good confirmation. Like, it helps. Let's wait for other pairs. What you guys are watching, by the way? If you guys have anything on the watch, let me know. Okay, the Euro GPY. Yeah, as expected, but I haven't took the trade yet. I was waiting for price to mitigate these lows, but it's fine. Let's see for the possibilities right now. If price is gonna mitigate this FVG, I'm gonna take this trade like all in A plus setup. Entry stop loss could be the lows. Targets would be mhm, first deviation. Let's wait for price to mitigate the first deviation. Yeah, that will work out. And keeping an alert on this, like I will keep in watch. I hope it reverts back to it. That's awesome. Crude oil look good for longs. You can actually take longs in this. But see, it's not trustworthy. Better we should look for shorts rather than longs at the reversal points. So let's, okay, got it. So if you guys are aware, I have shared the watch list in the morning today in the Discord server. If you guys are aware of it, we can expect price to mitigate these highs or 50% of this particular BPR. So what is a BPR? You might wonder what is a BPR is. So BPR is something whenever two imbalances overlap with each other, that becomes a BPR. BPR means balanced price range. So how do you identify it? So like how does it make use of it? So basically it's just nothing. Like just I'll just tell you a simple principle. Whenever there is any POI that you could name is above the price, that works as a bearish side. If any POI that is below the price, that works as a bullish side. Okay, simple as that. Like just a simple logic, but still hope it helps. So what we can do is we can give it a try for longs till this POI. From here, we might give a short for the downside after getting some confirmations. What I mean for a confirmations is, as you can see, okay, we are already missed the entry. We got, okay, we are still there. Not bad. Let's see. I don't think price might mitigate this, but yeah, let's go for that. Actually, you know what? We can give it a try over here. Not bad. Stop loss would be the lows and target would be the high. The high which we marked, it was a FVG. Lows would be this and highs would be this. Yep. What's the reason for a close current below previous one? So the reason being candle closing is whenever we get a candle closing the below candles, so that's a sign that the bears are active more than the bulls, which means like buyers are lesser than sellers. Basically, the algorithm is interested in selling rather than the buying. So it gives confirmations. So this becomes a CISD if you guys are aware of it. Basically, a breakout structure and order flow. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's look at some other pairs. Like, what you guys are watching though? It's been like a month, I guess. I have avoided all the AUD pairs. So one more thing, if you guys want to be, know more breaks, like get more breaks and daily watch list, market updates, and whatever happening is in the geopolitical markets, to stay up to date, you can join Discord community. It's an absolutely free community. You can join there. You can ask any questions you have. Like there are like 4 to 5 mentors who are actively trading in the market time. They'll be like, hey, like always, there is a one mentor who is going to answer you. So basically, just like a free platform where like-minded traders meet with each other. We have FOMC. It won't be that impactful, right? Just not that impactful. Now the market would be very much dry, so the moves are like very pretty much slow compared to those big swings. Morning my bias was long, but now I changed my bias because of these particular candlestick. Look at all the buy side, which is a very good confirmation for the shorts. And as I mentioned, it was risky. It is absolutely risky because there is another POI above, which is a BPR. Basically, BPR is powerful than this compared to the breaker block. So we have shorted here because of this breaker block. If by any chance price is breaking away with this gap, so there is no way price is going to sustainable. So the bias is confirmed that it's going for shorts. As you can see, this is an absolute AMD setup. It's an accumulation, manipulated, and started distributing now. Okay, we got our USD GPY. Mhm. Oh, this is risky now because of the wick. We didn't get a very decent candle closing. Not looking for this, but this could be, seen as an idea. Like this is how you should trade the continuation setup because there was this all-time high which price broken, and in higher time frame, as you can see, the price is like bit choppy. But and one more thing. This is something called a very big wick, right? So what you should do when something like this happens? So just simple, keep your main threshold. It doesn't work everywhere. There are some criterias to look at it. So basically, not just because of this particular wick or something like that. If you just refine it into a smaller time frame, you can always see a point of interest over there. In this scenario, as you can see, we have this order block combined with an FPG or a breaker block, sorry, mitigation block combined with an FPG. So basically, entire order flow we have here. So that's how it works. You got an SL? No, it's still running, boss. Okay, we got an SL in GBP. We got a L. Yup, this is not a good sign. So better we should ignore this. And we'll wait for price to give some structure breaks. If at all price is breaking above this previous structures, we're gonna go long. If it's going to break the previous low, then we're going to look for shorts. So as you can see, guys, the price has mitigated the POI, which is an order flow combined with an order block and FVG. Yes, guys, I'm back. Okay, so as you can see, the price exactly mitigated the order flow and started reversing from there. This is how this works. So basically, we have done nothing. It's just a wick. We have marked the 50 percentage of it, which is called main threshold, which acts as a POI always. So, yep, as you can see, this is how it is going now. If everything goes well, we can expect price to mitigate the previous highs as well. It has a potential though. Since today is Tuesday, we will call Tuesdays as reversals, like a very good reversals. And guys, whenever we are looking into trading and all, we should always keep a close eye on the dollar index. Whatever it does, it will reflect on all the pairs. Even if you're trading Indian markets, Forex markets, crypto markets, commodities, everything, literally everything. Like from a month or so, the correlation is not working so well. But yeah, as you can see, the major pairs like USD, GPY, like whatever the pairs which are starting with the USD, the major pairs, they will go according to the US dollar. So we should make sure US and like I mean dollar is in the correct direction, like whatever our bias is. It's going good, not bad. Or if anybody had taken on this particular trade, they can keep their stops to cost. Okay, trailing stop loss. We not into this again. Just like now they started working. See, as I said, it just always it is. The BPR stop loss could be the highs and target should be the lows. Same thing. The reason why I kept stop loss was this was the previous high. We identified this BPR in the 3 minute time frame. So the previous candle, I mean the current candle which was closed by the FVG, like not we should also consider the wick, guys. This is the main thing. At the top of the BPR, we should have taken an entry. It was a music 2.5 hour, but still we can wait till the price taking out all the previous lows. As expected, the previous low. So here in this case, this is something called BPR, guys. If you guys are aware of it, basically it's a change of character in the smaller time frame. So price is going to mitigate this POI again. From here, we might get a drop till the previous lows, which is called sell side liquidity. So here in this case, if you wonder, this is called an inverse FEG. From here, price is going to make some moves again. Yeah, we could give it a try. Re-entry. Sell could be the highs. So it's just a very small scalp. I don't think it would make sense. Personally, I don't trade something like this, but we can expect price to, make some new lows here again. This looks good though. Like rather than looking for the GBP, you could go long in USD GPY. This looks good. Something like this. Hey, huge quantity. Stop loss would be the low. Target would be the highs. One more brand new fresh entry. This is an aggressive stop loss and this is the safest stop loss. So I prefer aggressive. Okay, sir. Okay, so perfect. Chat is working. It did worked out. But see, personally, I don't trade these kind of trades just because it's just a 1 minute time frame and 1 minute trades. I don't prefer scalps. Yeah, this is going good. Oh, what went wrong, buddy? US oil. Oh, okay. I think it just took your stop loss above and started going down, if I'm not wrong. Is that it? Good sign. So basically, this is one more entry for us. We have already executed one order over here. In 1 minute time frame, we got this order flow. Stop loss could be the lows and target would be the highs, as said. And don't look at the risk to rewards, okay? This is possible when you trade in 1 minute time frame and 3 minute time frame. You might wonder how can humanly this is possible, but this is not. Trust me. Yeah, this could be possible. 4 to 5 hours is possible. Like whenever somebody is showing you like more than 7 hours, 10 hours, don't fall for it. I'm not saying it does. It's not possible to make that much up. It is possible. Okay, so we can keep stop loss to cost in both of our trades. Even one, you can trial your stop loss to above, which is this. Okay, let it be, let it set free. Rather, you could look for longs, I would say, rather than shorting. Here, we might look for some good shorts. We can trade the reversal. See, the price action is all sideways now. I don't think it would make sense to look for any buying and selling side. Okay, let's do some astrological job now. So, this is called order block. From there, we might get a drop. Let's make this as our magic broom. Okay, let's design this. Style. Oh, you guys are watching anything? If yes, let me know. And every day, if you want the buyers of all the pairs, and it's just a free again Discord community. We are trying to build a very good, like-minded Discord community where we can actually grow. It's an absolutely free platform. Links are in the description, or you can just check out our bio. Update the description, bro. Links are not available yet. BNB Nitin, I guess it has been updated. I'll let the team know about it. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. Could you just verify which links are not working? Is it in the description or is it in the YouTube profile? We are about to hit our CTC again. Okay, done. Great, I feel. We look for this trade further in the YouTube, I mean, our Discord channel. Okay, so I'll be giving an update about this trade in the Discord channel. Let's wind up for today. Let's call it a day, guys. Okay, Ritin, we'll look into it. If anybody have any questions regarding the trade idea or trade breakdowns, you can join our in Discord community where you can find the trade breakdowns and trade ideas and how we executed these trades and everything. So yep, till tomorrow. See you all. Bye bye.